Hi, kids. Guess who? Yep, it's me, yours truly, Woody Woodpecker.
I'm a busy man. Dragging me all the way down here to talk about a rocket to the moon. It's ridiculous. Comic book stuff.
All right.
Or a woodpecker.
Or a puffy.
We have a big problem. A bully named Beth stole our DeLorean and flew away. So I have a favor to ask you. I want you to get in the other DeLorean and catch Beth.
Hey, Winnie, guess who? That can't be good.
É o pica-pau! Isso parece divertido!
Hey, me Woody Woodpecker. Everybody gets that crazy. Everybody in my me. Yes, sauce.